Mother's Day is right around the corner, so I just wanted to share with you all the Mother's Day finds. So you can make like a really nice gift basket with a lot of these items from Dollar Tree. They have party supplies, all kind of stuff. So they have these cute little headbands. They only have the child size at my Dollar Tree. The little balloons. So these would be cute. You have a basket. You have the little balloons attached to it. Those are going fast. Just a ton of like beauty items. They have little pin sets. They have these face misters. They have them in pink and they have them in blue. They have little decor pieces that you might want to add to. They have cute little picture frames. They have bath fizzers, so you can create like a spa like thing. This everybody loves these right there, and then the jade rollers too. So yeah, you can create like a spa basket, a beauty basket, all kind of different baskets with a lot of these items from Dollar Tree right now. A lot of these are items that they kind of did have at Valentine's Day. They just basically just like gave it a different little look for Mother's Day. So these are the same kind of items. These are real pretty. They're plastic. The pompous squares, you can add these for a little extra to the basket just to give it a little style. They have them in a few different colors at Dollar Tree right now. They have gift boxes, gift bags, and you can see they label them for Mother's Day. So if you want to do a surprise box, they have the boxes in different sizes. So you can, you layer them in, you cut them so that when you take the top off, they open it up and so you get to the smallest one. More beauty items. They're not in the Mother's Day section, but you can add these infused pieces. I think they are great because they're infused with different things. And then they have beauty items. They have Q-tips. You can see they have them in green tea, coconut. They have them in rose, I believe, too. Just scrubs, just face care, just a lot of beauty items. This would be just a really great idea if you're looking to make a nice basket. You can also mix and match. You can add your mother's favorite products from other brands and do that. They have different shape type boxes. You can also do surprise boxes with these. You would cut them in the crease and then they would open it up. To do the surprise boxes, they have glitter style ones. They have cute little purse ones. They have bath salts, the room sprays. They have them all the time, but those are good. We saw these before, so you can grab those. They put them in the Mother's Day section. Sleep mask. They have them in different prints. This little foot care thing, so you get the scrub, the mask, and the lotion. They have shower bonnets and stuff for kids and for adults, slippers, just all kind of different things. So you can really make a nice basket. These scents, you can put them in your drawers, in your bathroom. They have glass pieces, just a ton of things. This glass is so cute. It's mom's time to wine. So that, and then just like I said, a ton of things. So you might want to head down to Dollar Tree and see what yours has right now for Mother's Day so you can make a cute little basket.